Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, we'll be learning how we can do a re-request for a PR review on GitHub. So over here you can see that I have this change from dev to main branch, and over here I have submitted it and I have requested this user for reviewing purposes. Now this user has made some comment over here and said that this needs to be more clear in nature. Now what I can do is, if I scroll down a bit, here it says changes requested, and then keep it up requested changes. Then if you see these three dots over here, click on that and you will have this option where you can say re-request review, and the same you can do from this icon as well that you see over here. If I hover on this, you'll notice re-request review. So that way you will be able to send a re-request for reviewing this particular change, and the reviewer will be notified and they will accordingly take the decision whether to continue with the same thought process or they can approve the changes.